So good morning, students. How are you? Everyone done with revision of biology first lecture? Yes, बताओ. First lecture revision हो गया? जिगर, देवांशी, प्रिया, मानसवी, सिमोन, मानव. Yes, okay. निर्जला, अक्षय. Okay. मानसी चलवाड़ी, मानसवी, सुयश, साक्षी. All right. Yes, Simone. Okay. No issues at all. This is her first lecture, and Simone, you don't have to worry because we will go through revision. And all of us are going to revise all the concepts, right, students? We're going to revisit all the concepts, correct?
Yes, sir.
चलो जल्दी जल्दी.
Yes, sir.
जोर से चिल्ला के बोलूं मुझे सबके सब.
Yes,
आर्यन,
sir.
झलक,
Yes, sir.
माही,
हाँ, sir.
ज्योतिका, Ashwini. Where is Ashwini? Okay, she has just now entered the meeting. Was in the waiting room. Okay. Chalo, students. I hope everybody is in. Bandana ma'am, Jyoti ma'am, please let me know if I can begin. Everyone is in. Students, if you want, you can switch on your camera. There is no force. It's totally on you. Okay? All right, so let us begin. चलो start करते हैं, ठीक है? So last time हमने क्या क्या किया था students? Last time जो भी किया था उसका फटाफट से एक बार let us do a quick revision, and then we will visit few more cell organelles today, eukaryotic, and as I promised last time, I'll be taking you deeper into the chapter today. Eukaryotic cell organelles we would be visiting, and we would be starting with plasma membrane, then cell wall, then endomembrane system, that is endoplasmic reticulum. We'll also be visiting vacuoles. We'll also be visiting Golgi complex, nuclear membrane, all these things today. Okay? So let us see how far we can go. Okay, I will start with few questions. You have to raise your hand if you know the answer. So accordingly, I'll allow different students to answer. Okay, so my first question is, name any two membranes on any two cell organelles. Name any two cell organelles which are common to both prokaryotes as well as eukaryotes. You have to raise your hand if you know the answer. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Use that option which is there for raising the hand in the Zoom app. Okay, shabash. Very good. 13 students have raised their hands. 15, 16. Very good. What about you, Drasika, Jyotika? Okay, very good, Jyoti. She has already replied in the chat box. Students, you can reply in the chat box also. I'll ask any one of you. Yes, what about others? Mahi, Nirjala, Nisha, Sakshi, Priyanka, Sankhe. What about you people? Raise your hand if you know the answer. Which are the two cell organelles which are common to both prokaryotes as well as eukaryotes? Two cell organelles which are common to both prokaryotes as well as eukaryotes. Two cell organelles common to both prokaryotes as well as eukaryotes. Okay, so we will go ahead with Akshay. Chalo Akshay, please reply.
Plasma, lemma, and cytoplasm.
Plasma, lemma, and cytoplasm. That is right answer. Very good. Anything else? Anything else, Rebecca? Would you like to add anything else? Rebecca? Any other cell
Yes,
organism?
sir. Sir, DNA or genetic material and ribosome that make protein.
Shabash. Ribosomes can be added instantly, and genetic material, I would like to say that genetic material, rather than being very specific, we will go with genetic material. It is common to both the cells. Very good. Okay, next. Ramiz. Ramiz, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ramiz. Tell me the function of mitochondria. Tell me
The
the function of
mitochondria has the
mitochondria.
function of producing ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate, which is
Energy coin. Energy coin. It gives us energy, right? What is the full form of adenosine? Sorry, ATP. It is adenosine triphosphate. If I have to understand which nitrogenous base forms this adenosine triphosphate, then how would I go about it? What is the name of that nitrogenous base which forms ATP? Have you heard about these nitrogenous bases, purines and pyrimidines, students? Purines and pyrimidines. Purines and pyrimidines. Yes, Jigar.
yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Nine, thiamine, and
Which one forms ATP?
adenine.
Adenine is the answer. Adenine is the answer. Adenosine triphosphate. So adenine is used. All right. So for the students who have joined us today, for the first time, we are into this chapter, which is cell unit of life, cell, the unit of life, or cell structure and functions. Last lecture, what we did is we had just a small introduction of this chapter. We saw which all things we are going to cover in this chapter. That is different types of cells we are going to see, right from prokaryotic cell to eukaryotic cells. We will also try to differentiate them. We will try to understand which all components are present in these cells. So in this entire chapter, we will be studying about these cells in different parts of cells, like cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, mitochondria, vacuole, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, and many other, including chloroplast, plastids also, chromoplast, chloroplast, leucoplast. ये सारे हम देखने वाले हैं. So last time we had a small introduction, short introduction. Now I would like to ask all of you, how many of you can revise the entire lecture for me? How many of you can go through entire lecture which we did last time in short? Obviously, just an overview. Raise your hand. Let me see. How many of you are confident to go through entire chapter, entire lecture? I should say entire lecture which we did last time. Yes, okay. Devanshi is ready. Very good. Akshay, Ramiz, Raj, Jigar, Sakshi, Palak, Devanshi, Vari Solanki, Rebecca, Aditya, Adrita. Yes, Sakshi, that once was correct. Adenine was correct answer. Mansi Chalbadi. Okay. Okay, no problem. Aditya is also ready. Suyesh is also ready. So let us go ahead with Vari Solanki. Yes, Vari. Vari Solanki.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can start. Vari, can you hear me? Vari Solanki. Okay, we will come back to her. Let us start with Devansh. Yes, Devansh.
Cell, the unit of life. Cell produces tissue, tissue produces organ, organ produces system, and system converts into organism. Cell is called as a structural and the functional unit of life of all the living organisms capable of independent existence and can perform all functions of life. There are different scientists who contributed for cell, such as Anton von Leeuwenhoek first saw and described the living cell. Robert Brown described the nucleus. Mathis Skeldon plant cell from tissue, and Theodor Schwann studied animal cell and identified a plasma layer. Cell theory was given by Skeldon, Schwann, and Virchow. Cell theory says all the living things that are made up of the cell, all the living animals come from the prior cell. Cell structure are the basic unit of structure in living organisms. All the cells are produced from the existing cell. Difference between prokaryotics, eukaryotics. Prokaryotics have no nucleus, no membrane structure, and they are small, 1 to 10 nanometer in size, micrometer, sorry, and one circular piece of DNA. Whereas in eukaryotic, they have nucleus, cell membrane. They are larger than prokaryotes. They are 10 to 100 micrometers in size, and several DNA are packed into the strains, which are also known as chromatids. And the similarities between prokaryotics and eukaryotics are plasma membrane, cytoplasm, DNA or genetic material, ribosomes that make the protein. Difference between both the cell is done and the similarities are also done. Now we will study about organs and their functions. First one is nucleus, the organ that contains the DNA of the cell. Then we'll come to ribosome, the organ upon which amino acids are hooked together to make protein. Endoplasmic reticulum, the organ that makes lipids and break down into toxic substances and packages protein from Golgi complex. Mitochondrion, the organelle that breaks down the food molecule to make ATP. Chloroplast, the organelle that uses sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to produce food. Golgi complex, the organ that processes and transports material within and out of the cell. Large central vacuole, the organ that stores the water and the other materials. Lysosome, the organ that digests waste, cell parts, and the foreign invaders. Done, sir.
Okay, very nicely said, Devanshi. Very well done. Okay, next would be
Sir, there is something.
yes, Jigar.
Sir, also you have taught about metabolism, catabolism, anabolism.
Yes.
Okay. Anabolism is positive,
Correct.
metabolism is negative, and metabolism is anabolism.
Yes. So we also discussed about metabolism, wherein we saw that metabolism has two components. One is anabolism and the other one is catabolism. When I say anabolism, it means formation of something. When I say catabolism, it means breakdown of something. Right? Okay,
Sir,
very good.
also you had given an order for nucleus, chromosomes, and DNA.
Correct. We also went ahead with the hierarchy of chromosome, DNA, and genes. So chromosomes would be.
Reticulum are divided into two, RER and SER.
Your voice is not very clear, Jigar.
Endoplasmic reticulum divided into two, RER and SER. RER is rough endoplasmic reticulum and SER is smooth.
Sir,
Very good. Yes, Zoha.
sir, can you please explain that ribosome?
Sure. Ribosomes. Okay, so ribosomes are the protein factory. You can say that, Zoha. Ribosome protein factory होता है. क्या प्रोड्यूस होता है राइबोसोम्स में? राइबोसोम्स होता कहाँ है? तो जैसे जिगर ने बोला, we have endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, students, we have endoplasmic reticulum. I'll start with endoplasmic reticulum and then gradually go into ribosomes also. Okay, so endoplasmic reticulum, we had discussed this also. Short form I'll write ER. Okay, ER. Now endoplasmic reticulum, we have how many types? Two types of endoplasmic reticulum. These two types are, one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and the other one is, yes, Ashwini, very good. The other one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. So smooth and rough. Now the reason is, why do I call this as rough endoplasmic reticulum? Reason is, students, tell me the reason.
Because it has ribosome.
It acts
Because
like
it
a
has,
sofa.
yes, it acts like a sofa. Okay, very good. It acts like a sofa. You should, that was only for understanding. So you should not use these words now in explanation. You should say ki, it acts as a binding surface. It provides the surface for attachment for ribosomes. So I can say rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes. It has ribosomes on its surface. Has ribosomes on its surface, and therefore its surface is rough as compared to the smooth one. Is that understood? This is also this is also something which we discussed last time. And coming to the point, Zoha ने क्या पूछा हमको? Zoha ने पूछा सर राइबोसोम का फंक्शन क्या है? So ribosomes are the cell organelles, Zoha, जहां पे proteins बनेंगे. Ribosomes will help in synthesis of proteins. How exactly? Exact mechanism हम काफी देर बाद देखेंगे when we will go into the chapter wherein we have to see transcription and translation. That is in detail in your 12th standard. ठीक है, अभी के लिए खाली आपको इतना जानना है. ओके, यस यस, अभी के लिए आप खाली इतना जानना है आपको कि राइबोसोम्स आर हेल्पफुल इन सिंथेसिस ऑफ प्रोटीन्स. ओके, चलो, if you want you can take a screenshot, students, you can make a note of it. ठीक है, for Simone, for you and for other students, if you have joined us for the first time, what I'll do is as the students are revising the entire lecture which we did last time, I generally do this with my lectures. I generally ask students to revise entire lecture so that you have a quick recap. And whenever there is a recap by the students, it is always fruitful rather than me revising the entire thing. So I do that. This is my habit of revising everything with you people. Yeah. Okay, Shreya. Okay, now she has asked me, Shreya ने क्या पूछा है? Can you repeat why it is called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Okay, Shreya. So we don't have justification for smooth endoplasmic reticulum. We have it for rough. So for rough, why do we call it as rough? Because the surface is not very smooth due to presence of ribosomes. Therefore, it becomes rough. All right, Shreya. Jigar, I cannot hear you clearly. Your audio is on. Okay, ठीक. Chalo, students. Should we move ahead? Yes.
Sir, I was telling that rough endoplasmic reticulum is called rough because it has ribosomes. So there are pores upon it, and smooth does not have ribosomes. So the outer layer becomes smooth.
Correct hai. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes on its surface, and that is the reason it appears rough. It is known as rough, while the smooth endoplasmic reticulum has nothing on its surface, and hence it is smooth. So we don't have specific reason for smooth appearance. We have the reason for rough, and that is how we distinguish between them. Okay. Acha, one more thing is Mansi has mentioned the YouTube video is already there. So yes, for the students who have not attended the first session, obviously this is a recap of first session where students are doing the revision. If in case you want to visit entire lecture, we already have entire lecture on our YouTube channel. At the end of this session, I'll be uploading this video also, this lecture also, today's lecture. You can watch both the lectures, no problem at all. Sakshi has mentioned that we also discussed about lysosomes. Lysosomes are the cell organelles which act as suicidal bag. Why? Because they contain enzymes that can digest entire cell. Lysosomes. Do you remember, students? Lyse means what? Lysis means what? Yaad aa raha hai?
Yes, sir. Breaking.
Breaking down.
Breaking. Shabash. Breakdown. So when I say lysosomes, so lysosomes are the components of eukaryotic cell. Inside eukaryotic cell, we have different cell components, out of which one of them is lysosome, and lysosome has enzymes which can digest entire cell. It has generally the enzymes to break down the complex food materials or the unwanted materials. Unwanted foreign materials can also be broken down, can also be killed by lysosomes. Yes, very good, Sakshi. Chalo, I'll delete this screen, students, and let me go back to the presentation and let us see who else is ready to repeat everything. Hai na? Chalo, raise your hand, students. Who is ready next? Who is ready to repeat next? Okay, Sakshi is ready. Jigar is also ready. Students, you can raise your hand and you can let me know. Vari Solanki, if you can hear me and if you can switch on your audio I can again give chance to you. Mansi Chalwadi is also ready. So let us go ahead with Sakshi first. Then we will come back to other students also. All right. So just a second, Mansi. What I'll do is चलो यहाँ से start करते हैं. Okay? Cell introduction. Yes, Sakshi. You can begin
Yes,
now.
sir. Should I explain?
Yes, you can go in a very short pattern the way you want to. Okay. While you are going with the presentation, with the explanation, I'll go on shifting the slides so that the students can go through the slides also while you're speaking. So start.
Okay. Cell, the unit of life. What is a cell? A cell is a structural and functional unit of life of all the living
Yes.
organisms which are capable of independent existence and can perform functions of the life. There are many scientists who had discovered about cells. First is Anthony von Leeuwenhoek, who first saw and described the living cell. Then comes Matthew Selden, who nucleus. Theodor Schwann.
Your voice is cracking, Sakshi. I can't hear you now. Hello, Sakshi.
Hello.
Yes, yes, you're yes. Go
Yes.
ahead.
Then comes the cell theory, which describes that all the living things are made up of cells. It is the basic unit and structure and function in the living things, and they are also produced from the existing cells. Then the cell is divided into two, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes have nucleus, do not have a membrane structure, and they are small in size and have one circular piece of DNA. Eukaryote is quite opposite to it. Eukaryotes have nucleus, has a membrane, they are larger than prokaryotes, and several DNA are packed into strands known as chromosomes. The similarities between them are they have a cytoplasm, plasma membrane, DNA or genetic material, ribosome which makes proteins.
Hello. Hello, Sakshi. Okay, ठीक है. Due to network issue, I think we will have to go ahead with other student.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
yes.
lysosomes are secreted by endoplasmic reticulum.
Yes, they are made by them.
Okay, sir.
Correct. Golgi complex, in fact, Golgi complex.
Okay, sir.
Golgi complex will secrete them. They will make them because Golgi complex have the role of packaging. So they will synthesize and release in the form of vesicles and the saccage, small vesicles. We will cover them when we come to Golgi
Oh.
complex. All right. Okay. So next will be Mansi. Yes, Mansi.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am audible.
Yes, yes, you are perfectly audible.
Organs and their function. First one is nucleus, the organelle that contains the cell DNA. Ribosome, the organelle upon which amino acids are hooked together to make proteins. Third is endoplasmic reticulum, the organelle that makes lipids, break down toxic substance, and packages protein for the Golgi complex. Mitochondria, the organelle that breaks down food molecules to make ATP. Chloroplast, the organelle that uses sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to make food. Golgi complex, the organelle that processes and transports material within and out of the cell. Large central vessel, the organelle that stores water and other materials. Lysosome, the organelle that digests wastes, cell parts, and foreign invaders.
Okay. Invaders, the ones who can harm my cell. To them, lysosome can kill them. Okay. I want somebody who can explain this entire concept which we discussed last time in a manner which I did. I mean, in a very simplified manner, where if in case students who are attending this session for the first time should be able to understand it in a very simple language. I don't want people to use the terms which are there on the screen, which were there on the images which I had sent you in the presentation. I don't want you people to use technical terms. Be very as simple as possible. Be as simple as possible and try to take examples, try to use examples and then explain the concepts. So who can do that for me? Who can do that for me? Yes, raise your hand, students. I'll not start the PPT also. Okay. I'll not share the PPT. Let me see how you people can explain in a very simple language. You can use Hindi also, no problem at all. Okay.
Sorry, sir. Actually, I got disconnected.
Yes. No problem, Sakshi. No problem at all. Many students are in fact facing network issues today. Okay, yes. So Akshay, Devanshi, Jigar Gada, Priya, all are ready. Let us go ahead with Priya. Okay, chalo Priya. No textbook language. Okay, Priya. Yes, you have to use technical terms, but keep it as simple as possible. Chalo.
Cell unit of life, cell introduction. Cell is a functional part of our body, of a living organism. Then we have studied about eukaryotics and prokaryotics. Eukaryotics are animal cell also and plant cell also. But we have studied about animal cell of eukaryotic cell. In that we have nucleus, which contains DNA. Ribosomes, which specialized by proteins, which is important for proteins also. Endoplasmic reticulum, which helps ribosomes to synthesize the proteins, mitochondria, which is the energy cell of the body. Chloroplast, which contains sunlight, water, and makes food. Golgi complex, which vestigial packaging. Large central vacuole, which contains mineral water, etc. Lysosomes, lysosome means breaking down. Then we have studied about scientists. There are 3 types of scientists. Then we have studied about the parts of eukaryotics and prokaryotics.
All right. Adrita. Next is Adrita.
Yes, sir.
Yes, chalo start. Adrita, start. Explain me what are things we did last time in a very rapid manner. Just a minute.
Cell is a structural and functional unit of life. It is also capable of independent existence and can perform all functions of life. 3 scientists have given cell theory. Skeldon has said that all living things are made up of cells. Sketchman has said that cells are the unit of structure and function in living things. Virchow has said that all cells are produced from existing cells. Cell types. There are 2 types of cell, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes means primitive cells and eukaryotes means developed cells. Prokaryotes have no nucleus, no membrane, and they are small in structure. Only 1 circular piece of DNA is present. In eukaryotes, nucleus is present, membrane and organelles are also present. It is larger than prokaryotes and several DNA packaged in 2 strands called chromatin. Organelles and then functions. Nucleus are the main organ which contains DNA. Ribosome produces proteins. Endoplasmic reticulum breaks lipids and toxic substances and packages protein from the Golgi complex. Mitochondria, the organelle that breaks down food materials to make ATP. Chloroplast is the organelle which is sunlight and carbon dioxide and water to make food. Golgi complex is the organelle that processes and transport materials within and out of the cell. Large central vacuole, the organelle that stores water and other materials. Lysosome, the organelle that digests waste, cell parts, and foreign invaders.
We will take up the last student now. Let me take up one last student. And Palak has messaged me. Which like to repeat. Okay, Palak, please go ahead. This is one last revision, students, and then let's start with today's topic. Okay?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Palak.
Cell introduction. What is cell? Cell is a structural and functional unit of living organism. Now, there were a few scientists who had contributed, and those are Anton von Leeuwenhoek. He first saw and described the life cell. Then is Robert Brown. He discovered the nucleus. Then is Matthias Sheldon. He told that plant cells also form tissues. And then is Theodore Schwann, who studied about animal cells and identified a layer called plasma membrane. Now, plasma membrane is also known as plasma lemma, also known as cell membrane. Cell wall is present only in plant cell, whereas plasma membrane is present in both. Cell wall is freely permeable, whereas plasma membrane is selectively permeable. Freely permeable means they allow everyone, whereas selectively permeable means they allow selective things to enter their cell.
Very good, Palak. These points were not covered by anyone. Shabash. Well done, Palak. Go ahead.
Then is cell theory. There were three scientists who had contributed for this. Those are Virchow, Matthias Sheldon, and Theodore Schwann. First point is that all living organisms are made up of cell. All cells are produced from existing cells. And third, cell is the basic unit of structure and function in living things. Now, there are differences and similarities between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Now, the similarities between prokaryotes and eukaryotes are they both have plasma membrane, they have cytoplasm, they have ribosomes, and DNA as a genetic material. Now, prokaryotes, they do not have nucleus, they have no membrane structure inside the cell. They are too small, ranging from 1 micrometer to 10 micrometer, and they have one circular piece of DNA. Eukaryotes, they have a nucleus, they have membrane, organelle, or structure inside the cell. They are larger than prokaryotes, ranging from 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer. They have several DNA packages into strands called chromatin. Now, nucleus. There are chromosome. Okay, nucleus के अंदर chromosome होता है, chromosome के अंदर DNA, and DNA के अंदर genetic material. Now, ribosome. They do the work of protein synthesis with the help of rRNA. There is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum are of two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, they do the work of, they act like a sofa in which the ribosomes comes and get attached to them. Then is mitochondria. The singular form of mito is mitochondrion and the plural form is mitochondria. They do the breakdown of food molecules to make ATP. So they are also known as so they are also known as powerhouse of the cell, and they produce energy. Chloroplast, it is present only in plants. The organelle that uses sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to make food. Then is anabolism, which is forming, and catabolism, which is breaking. Golgi complex, it is packaging of proteins. Packaging is in terms of vesicles. It is packaged in the vesicles. And then is large central vacuole, the organelle that stores waters and other materials. It is a storage place. And the things which are stored is like they are called as cell sap.
Cell sap.
And,
Shabash. Kya
and
baat
then
hai, very good.
is lysosome. They are also known as suicidal cells. They have enzymes which can digest the whole cell. Sir, down.
Very nicely said, Palak. Students, can we have a clap for her? She has covered each and every point. I think just anabolism, catabolism she missed. Rest every point she has covered. So nicely done, Palak. Very well said. Very well said. Very well said. बहुत अच्छा. So every time we will use Palak at the end for quick revision and 100% revision. Okay. Hello, shabash. I have selected students in every batch who can do such kind of revisions for me. So we have identified one student now, Palak. Obviously, we have other students also. All of you are very, very vocal, but yes, she has done it very nicely. Chalo students, let us move ahead now. Let us move into today's topic. सब पेन बुक सब साइड में रख दो, ठीक है? मेरे साथ इन्वॉल्व रहना है आपको, मुझे आंसर्स देने हैं, कुछ भी नोट डाउन नहीं करना है. I'll send you all the images, है ना? And also we will have this session on YouTube, so you can visit our YouTube channel and you can go through the lectures. You can make your own notes. While lecture is on, especially in my lectures, do not keep on writing like reporters. ठीक है? वो काम मत करो. जैसे आज तक के जीनियस रिपोर्टर बैठते हैं ना, कोई कुछ बोल रहा है तो ऐसे लिखते रहते हैं. वो वाला काम मत करो. ठीक है? Do not keep on just writing. Be with me, be vocal. I would love to hear your voice. I would love to hear the concepts from your side. Okay, in your terms. Okay, so let us start. What we will be doing to students is we would be going into the cell organelles of eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell is what we will be starting today with, and the first cell organelle is plasma membrane. As Palak said, plasma membrane is also known as cell membrane and plasma lemma. Plasma lemma. So let us see how exactly plasma membrane looks like. We would be going into anatomy, students. Remember what is anatomy? Who can tell me, who can define anatomy for me in just 3 words? I want anatomy in just 3 words, students. Just 3 words. What is anatomy? SOS.
Inside the body.
Okay. Anything else?
Structure of a substance.
No. It is study of structure. It is study of structure. Okay? So that is what that is how you have to define anatomy. Whenever I ask you anatomy, you have to remember this SOS. Okay? Study of structure. Very good, Jyotika. Very good, Jyotika. She has messaged these same 3 words to me. Study of structure. Well done, Jyotika. Study of structure. Priyanka has asked me, sir, is it important to remember these scientists? Yes, Priyanka, if you are attempting NEET, then it is very important to remember the names of scientists also, because they can be asked, okay, with their work, and even the years are very important. So don't worry, I've already prepared a document wherein we have the name of all the scientists with the year and their contribution, which has been done and which has been reported in your NCERT text 11th and 12th. Because for NEET it is very important. For boards, for board students who are just giving boards, it's not that important. All right. ठीक है, आगे चले जाएं. So plasma membrane, students, let me share the PPT first with you people. Yes, let me move the waiting room so that if in case anybody gets out of this meeting by mistake, the student can re-enter, right? Okay, so start करें, students. All right, so this is something which is you can see on a screen, students. चलो प्रिया पेन रख दो नीचे, पेन रख दो, relax. Okay, चलो plasma membrane structure, that is anatomy. I'm trying to study these structure, students. As you can see on your screen, I have selected this image. You don't have to exactly go with this spherical shape of the cell which is shown over here. Now cells may have different shape, obviously, but I'm not focusing more on the shape of the cell. I'll be focusing more on the membrane, and I would like to have and I would like to give you people proper orientation of the plasma membrane. Check karo kaisa diya hai, students. Check karo where they have cut the plasma membrane and what exactly they are going to show you. Ye dekho, is part ko they've cut this part, understood, and they've tried to zoom in this part. Ye dekho, yahan pe they've tried to zoom in. So this is what I can see, students. This is what I can see. We have many things to learn over here, but let us go gradually. Okay, so plasma membrane, they are majorly made up of phospholipids. They are made up of, loudly, phospholipids. Your mic should be on mute, students. You don't have to unmute it. Okay, you don't have to unmute it, but I want all of you to speak out with me. Okay, so the major component of plasma membrane is phospholipid. Yes, tell me, the major component is known as phospholipid. Shabash, phospholipid. And phospholipid also, students, phospholipid molecules have two things. Phospholipid molecules have two things. Focus over here. Over here, you've been shown the diagram of phospholipids, but this is too complex to understand right now. Okay, you will be understanding this very nicely. But abhi ke liye isko mat dekho. Let us try to. I'll draw a very simple phospholipid for you. Okay, so phospholipid molecule contains two things. One is polar head. I'll try to I'll try to draw this polar head by blue color. The blue color indicates that it is water soluble. So I have polar head. Okay, this is one phospholipid molecule I'm drawing, students. And then I have non-polar tail. Okay, I have non-polar tail. So polar head, non-polar tail. Polar head, non-polar tail. This entire thing, should I write non-polar over here, students? Just a second, wait. Non-polar. So this is non-polar tail, and the other one, the blue one, is polar head. Okay. Now you would ask me, so what do I understand by polar and non-polar? So for them who do not understand these words, polar indicates it is water soluble and it can form ions. It is water soluble. Okay, ionizable. Okay, फिलहाल के लिए it is water soluble. Non-polar, insoluble in water. Can I call polar head as hydrophilic? Tell me, can I call it as hydrophilic, students? What do I mean by hydrophilic? Who will tell me? What do I mean by hydrophilic?
Which contains water.
Okay, anybody else? Yes.
It has a strong affinity for water.
Perfect term. It has very strong affinity towards water. When I say philic generally indicates living, right? So hydrophilic has strong affinity towards water, loves water. Can I call non-polar tail as hydrophobic component of phospholipid, students? Hydrophobic, because it is non-polar. Hydrophobic, है ना? So let us write this term, students, quickly. लिख देते हैं इसको, है ना? So polar head is also termed as, polar head can also be termed as hydrophilic. Okay, hydrophilic. And non-polar tail can be termed as hydrophobic. It can be termed as hydrophobic. Okay, students. So hydrophilic, hydrophobic. Now, if I say that non-polar tail is oil soluble, so just suggest me another term for non-polar tail. I've told you its nature. Oil soluble. Yes, Jigar. Oil.
Oilophilia.
No. Anybody else? Anybody? Students, please do not reply me in the chat box because I won't be able to see your messages in the chat box. You have to tell me on audio. Okay? I cannot see your chat box messages. So please reply me on audio now.
Oilophilia.
No, he's trying his best. Okay. It is lipophilic. Lipo indicates lipid. So lipid loving, oil loving, lipophilic. Okay, students. So lipophilic is another term for non-polar tail because it is oil soluble, students. Okay. So non-polar tail can be termed as hydrophobic or lipophilic.
So polar head will be lipophobic.
So polar head would have two names again: hydrophilic or lipophobic. Am I clear, students? Have you noted it down? ठीक है, ये देखो काफी सिंपल सी बात है. ठीक है, जनरली when I see students writing down things while I'm speaking, कैसा होता है कि वो उनको सब कुछ लिख लेना. बट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स, जितना आप मुझे सुनोगे, जितना मेरे साथ साथ बोलोगे, एंड ये पूरा लेक्चर जाने ही वाला है यूट्यूब पे, तो आपको कुछ भी मिस नहीं होने वाला है ना, कुछ भी नहीं मिस होने वाला. you have to be confident about yourself. You have good memory, students. Trust me. You have good memory. आपका नाम कितने साल से आपको याद है? सोचो, कभी ऐसा होता है कि आप सुबह उठते हो बोलते हो अरे मेरा नाम क्या है, मैं भूल गया मेरा नाम क्या है? ऐसा नहीं होता ना? तो सोचो कितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग मेमोरी है आपकी है ना? इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग मेमोरी है आपकी, इतना साल पुराना नाम भी आपको याद है। तो इमेजिन करो, आज की बातें कल तो याद रहेगी रहेगी, है ना? सो टेंशन नहीं लेना कि ये सब वर्ड्स मैं भूल गया, तो नहीं भूलोगे। इफ यू कीप ऑन स्पीकिंग विथ मी, यू विल नेवर फॉरगेट। ओके, सो phospholipids have two parts: polar head, non-polar tail. Polar head, non-polar tail. Now I want everyone to speak on audio. ठीक है? Switch on your audio, students, and shout out loudly. ठीक है? चलो, everyone. So phospholipids have two parts. The first part is polar
head and non-polar
Head.
tail.
The second part is non-polar tail. Very good.
Tail.
Polar head is also known as dash philic.
Hydrophilic.
Hydrophilic and lipophobic.
Very good.
Tail.
Hydrophilic or lipophobic.
Hydrophobic.
or lipophobic. Next, non-polar tail is known as hydrodash
Hydrophobic.
Hydrophobic and lipophobic.
or hydrophobic or
Lipophilic.
lipophilic is right answer. Lipophilic is right answer. शाबाश. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं students. Let us move ahead. ठीक है? Next part. Okay, all of you can mute your audios now. Next part, students. On my screen, I can see there is not just one phospholipid. There is bilayer of phospholipids, students. If you can see properly, there is bilayer of phospholipids. So this is how I would like to draw this. Okay, ये देखो. This is polar head, students. Then I have non-polar tail. Okay, this is non-polar tail. By the way, non-polar tail is formed up of hydrocarbon chain. What do I mean by hydrocarbon chain? Hydrocarbon chain.
Combination of hydrogen and carbon.
Shabash. Long chain of fatty acids. Students. ठीक है? 12, 16. हाँ, जिगर बोल.
Sir, I can't remember, but it has some specific
Sorry.
Sir, the chain is called something. What is that called?
Hydrocarbon chain. This is hydrocarbon chain.
There is some other word also.
Achha, there is some other word also. Which word is there? ठीक है.
It was in organic chemistry.
अच्छा.
It was in organic.
Aliphatic.
Sir, if I
Saturated
remember
hydrocarbon, aliphatic, straight chain, branch chain. Okay, ठीक है. Let us go with bio first. ये देखो students. This is how phospholipids are arranged. Students. Can you see this kind of arrangement over here, students? Tell me. Can you see this kind of arrangement over here? ये देखो.
Yes, sir.
ये देखो. Yeah. Phospholipid bilayer. They are arranged in such a way that outside. ये देखो students. Now you see at this cell. Look at this cell, students. Look at this cell now. From outside, what can I view from outside, students? I can just see polar head, right? I can just see polar head. When I start going inwards into this cell, then here in this zone, over here, students, okay? Over here, wait. Well, I'll draw this with another color, okay? Blue color. Over here in this zone, students, in this zone, once I start entering this cell, I can see hydrophobic. Tail. Is this being understood, students? Tell me. समझ में आ रही है इतनी बात?
No, sir. Can you repeat?
Sure. We have phospholipid bilayer. Plasma membrane is majorly made up of phospholipid bilayer. Okay, ये देखो. Look over here. ये देखो, यहाँ देखो students. This part over here. ठीक है? This part over here. So we have plasma membrane made up of phospholipid bilayer like this. Like this bilayer we have. I have explained you this is one phospholipid over here and this is the other phospholipid over here, students. Okay. So this phospholipid bilayer, how should I imagine myself inside or outside the cell, students? So this part over here, as you can see, they have labeled extracellular. 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 So this is outside the cell. Okay, students, this area over here, this blue zone over here, this is outside this cell. Okay, now as I start moving into the cell, students, as I start moving into the cell, which is the first thing which I will encounter? Which is the first thing which I'll encounter? Tell me, which is the first encounter?
Hydrophilic.
Hydrophilic head. Very good. Also known as polar head. As lipophobic head. Very good. Shabash. Then next, I'll see the hydrophobic tail of the same phospholipid. Am I correct? Ye dekho, students, in this zone, correct? Now I'm into the plasma membrane. As I move ahead, I'll go into the hydrophobic tail of the next phospholipid. And then deeper into the plasma membrane, I'll be reaching the hydrophilic head, again polar head of the inverted phospholipid, right? Of the inverted phospholipid. And now finally, I'm inside the cell. So by green zone, this is the green zone which is inside the cell. I've come inside the cell. Is this clear, students? Is this clear? So from blue zone, which is outside the cell, across the plasma membrane, I've entered inside the cell. So is this clear to all of you? Is this clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
How many of you are still doubtful? Please let me know on audio, students. Please let me know on audio. How many of you are still unsure about this?
Sir, the polar head consists of hydrocarbons. So what does polar tail consist?
No. Polar tail consists of hydrocarbons. Polar tail would be having hydrocarbons. Polar head, sorry, non-polar tail would be consisting of hydrocarbon chain, and polar head would be having ionizable groups. Okay. Okay.
Sir, intracellular would be after that we would be inside plasma membrane.
Absolutely correct. When I say intracellular, the green zone which you can see here, that is you have entered cytoplasm. You are inside cytoplasm. You are in the cytoplasm. All right.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Chalo, shabash.
Sir, doubt.
Anybody else? हाँ, पूछो doubt.
सर, अगर नॉन पोलर टेल आउटवर्ड होता और पोलर इनवर्ड होता तो कोई प्रॉब्लम होता मतलब?
हाँ, बड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, बड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम. अपन आ रहे हैं उस प्रॉब्लम पे, ठीक है? We are coming to that problem. Very short, very good question. Okay. Yes. Next student. Next doubt.
Can you repeat the naming?
I'll repeat the naming. Yes.
Of polar
Yes. Got it. Okay. Let me draw this on the white screen. Okay, students. Let me draw this on the white screen so that we will be able to understand it in a much better manner. Okay. So this is how I will draw phospholipid, students. On the top, let me write phospholipid. Okay. Phospholipid. And now let me draw it step by step. I'll try to draw the entire phospholipid bilayer of it. Okay. So I have polar head over here, I have polar head over here, and I have non-polar tail. Okay, let us label polar head first, students. Okay, so this is known as polar head. You also use different color, students, while maintaining the notes. Make sure you're using, you're making it as colorful as possible. That would be enticing you to revisit those notes again and again. Okay, polar head, also known as hydrophilic head, also known as
lipophobic.
Very good. Lipophobic head. Okay, students, lipophobic head. All right, I'll come to the tail part now. Okay, so this part over here is known as non-polar tail, made up of hydrocarbons. Very good, made up of hydrocarbons. And remember students, I'll teach you this in alkane alkyl also. Hydrocarbons means water insoluble. Why? Because कभी आपने देखा है students, कार्बन हाइड्रोजन का हाथ छोड़ देता है. कभी देखा है आपने कार्बन आयोनाइज हो जाता है? Have you seen this kind of arrangement? कभी भी देखा है ऐसे इस तरह से? If you ask methane कि मीथेन, can you please leave hydrogen in the form of H plus? Can you please donate hydrogen in the form of H plus? कभी कार्बन बोलता है ठीक है मैं CH3 माइनस बन जाता हूँ तो H plus लेकर चला जा।
नहीं सर,
ऐसे कभी नहीं हो सकता। Why students? There is very good reason for this. Why? There is very good reason for this. This bond over here is non-polar bond. It is non-polar bond. Why? Because electronegativity difference is very less between. ठीक है, सपोज जिगर ने, ठीक है, जिगर एंड आदित्य दोनों ने मिलके एक पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म खोल दिया, ठीक है, बोथ ऑफ देम हैव कम टुगेदर एंड they've opened a partnership firm. They are very good friends. After 2 years जिगर को गुस्सा आ गया, जिगर से कि अरे ये यार ये I cannot bear this now यार आदित्य, I cannot bear this now because I don't know why but I feel कि you are eating into my profits. We had decided for 50-50% but somehow I feel in certain deals you are eating in my profits. तो मेरा थोड़ा थोड़ा प्रॉफिट है ना चीटिंग करके ले लेता है, तो मैं आई एम ब्रेकिंग दिस पार्टनरशिप। आदित्य विल से अरे अरे ऐसे क्यों कर रहा है यार, जिगर बोला नहीं 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 आई एम जस्ट एंडिंग दिस पार्टनरशिप। सो जिगर इज बीइंग वेरी नेगेटिव हियर एंड आदित्य इज स्टिल अ ट्रू फ्रेंड। आदित्य विल से ठीक है कोई बात नहीं जिगर, अगर तुझे चाहिए तो यू कैन ब्रेक द पार्टनरशिप, बी हैप्पी जिगर, जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी जिगर, तो खुश रहे जिगर। तो जिगर, सो आदित्य इज डोनेटिंग, ठीक है कोई बात नहीं जा ले जा, ठीक है रख ले, एंड जिगर इज स्नैचिंग अवे। सो जिगर इज हाईली इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एंड आदित्य इज इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव, इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव। समझ में आया? सो दिस काइंड ऑफ बॉन्ड इज पोलर बॉन्ड, पोलर बॉन्ड, ठीक है। अगर ऐसा बॉन्ड रहा तो इट इज मेकिंग अ वेरी गुड केस फॉर वाटर सॉल्युबिलिटी बिकॉज Na+Cl-। अपने आप खुद सोच के देखो स्टूडेंट्स, NaCl के बीच में भी है आयोनिक बॉन्ड है ना, Na+Cl-, राइट और रॉन्ग, राइट और रॉन्ग, है ना। जैसे भी डिसॉल्व, जैसे आप नमक डालते हो पानी में स्टूडेंट्स, is that salt insoluble in water? Tell me, is it insoluble in water? Soluble, right? Why it is soluble? Yes, why it is soluble? Because it is ionizable, because it is ionizable. Understood? पोलर बॉन्ड है, टूट सकता है, आयंस बन सकते हैं, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव। यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं, कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन के बीच में इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव डिफरेंस है ही नहीं। मैं कितना भी कार्बन को बोल दूं, कार्बन पता है क्या, कल हाइड्रोजन तेरे बारे में बहुत बुराई कर रहा था, बहुत बुराई कर रहा था, बाप रे क्या क्या बोला उसने। कार्बन क्या बोलेगा? ओके जो भी बोले इज माय गुड फ्रेंड। सेम मैंने हाइड्रोजन को बोला, हाइड्रोजन पता है कार्बन तेरे बारे में क्या क्या बोल रहा था, बहुत बुराई कर रहा था। हाइड्रोजन विल से नो इश्यूज, नो इश्यूज, कितना भी बुराई करने दे, इज माय गुड फ्रेंड। So there is no bad feeling between them. There is no electropositivity and negativity between them. Therefore, this is non-polar. This bond is non-polar, and therefore the tail is non-polar. Therefore, the tail is non-polar. Am I clear, students? Am I clear over here?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear over here? Everyone, let me know.
Yes,
Everyone,
sir.
let me
Yes,
know.
sir.
Shabash.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. So non-polar tail is also known as non-polar tail is also known as
Hydrophobic.
हाइड्रोफोबिक। क्या बात है, वेरी गुड। हाइड्रोफोबिक टेल और
Lipophilic.
लिपोफिलिक टेल। हाइड्रोफोबिक टेल और लिपोफिलिक टेल। लिपिड लविंग, ऑयल सोल्यूबल, वाटर इनसोल्यूबल, ऑयल सोल्यूबल, वाटर इनसोल्यूबल। हेड को आप पूछो तो बोलेगा वाटर सोल्यूबल, ऑयल इनसोल्यूबल, water soluble, oil insoluble. Understood? Students understood?
सर वो वापस बोलो ना एक बार।
कौन सा?
वो ऑयल और वाटर आपने जो अभी बोला वो।
हाँ, ओके। सो हेड क्या बोलेगा? ओवर हियर, लुक ओवर हियर, है ना। हाइड्रोफिलिक पे खाली ध्यान देना। हेड कैसा है? हेड इज वाटर सोल्यूबल, सो अपन बोलेंगे इट इज वाटर लविंग। हेड बोलेगा आई एम वाटर सोल्यूबल, आई एम नॉट ऑयल सोल्यूबल। यू कैन बी ईदर ऑफ देम, you cannot be both of them. If you are both of them, you are known as surfactant. If you are both of them, you are known as surfactant. Example of surfactant. Surfactant का example ले लो, विम बार। जरा सा विम बार लिया, चमक आ गया ना, वो ऐसे ट्रक आवाज आता ना। That is surfactant. Okay, surfactant also example, Rin Supreme surfactant. These are all surfactants. मतलब उनके they are kind of amphibians. They are water soluble also, they are oil soluble also. Okay students?
Sir.
हाँ Yes. Your voice is
I got that term. Sir,
sorry.
Sir, it is called as homologous series.
Homologous series. Okay. So homologous series is something which is which differentiates just by CH2. Yes, you are correct when you use homologous series. I think now I picked your homologous series why you were searching for homologous word, because I said ki it may contain 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Correct? Okay, very good. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
आगे चलते हैं. So I'll repeat that term. ठीक है, किसी को चाहिए था ये water soluble hydrophilic or oil insoluble, and non-polar tail बोलेगा I am oil soluble, I am water insoluble, I don't need water. So students, if we go to see, can I say phospholipids overall have both the characteristics? They have part for water soluble things also, they have something for water insoluble things also. Can I say that? Can I say that? Take a screenshot, students. Can I say that? Quickly tell me, can I say that?
Yes,
Phospholipids have things, phospholipids have anatomical features for both the materials, for both the kinds of chemicals. So now I'll take you through the structure. You help me, students. Help me understand. Yes.
Sir, why the non-polar tail is like lipophobic?
Exactly. Acha, why the non-polar tail is
lipophobic? So lipophilic.
Lipophilic, obviously, because it is oil loving. Oil. If I say, this is Aditya, right? Aditya.
Sir.
Yes. Okay. Aditya. When I'll understand oil, this is how I'll understand it. Okay, this is the structure of oil, Aditya. And now you will be your question would be justified very simply. एकदम आसानी से, ठीक है? ये देख आदित्य, ये देख. CH2. Sorry.
Sir, can you speak little loudly?
Okay, can you hear me now, Shreya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So Aditya has asked me, why do I call non-polar tail as lipophilic? Why do I call non-polar tail as lipophilic? Okay. I think by mistake she got unmuted. Okay, so by dot I mean, Aditya, by these dots I mean that carbon chain would be continuing. Okay, so I'll have many carbon chains, 12, 14, 16 homologous series, if I have to speak Jigar's language. Okay, next I have again this fatty acid checker, again this chain, huge chain. Again over here I have huge chain. So how many hydrocarbon chain do I see over here? How many fatty acid components do I see over here? How many fatty acid components?
Sir, many. Three here.
Three. Shabash. Okay. 3 fatty acid components first of all. Okay. And this unit over here, this unit has come from glycerol. This has come from glycerol, and this over here has come from fatty acid. It has come from fatty acid, and this entire structure,
it makes fat.
Absolutely, this entire structure is for fat. This entire structure is of fat.
Yes,
and
sir.
fats ke bhai kaun hai? Oil. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, if I have double bond over here.
Sir, means that they are unsaturated also, no, sir?
If that is what I'm coming at. If I have even one double bond over here in this chain, this will become oil. Okay. If there is no double bond, it is known as fat.
Okay,
if there is even one double bond, it becomes oil. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now oils. Now what do I understand? Huge carbon chain are oily in nature. They are oil soluble. Now come over here. Yahan pe aaja Aditya. Even this has huge carbon chain. So that is how I relate it to oil. Is this clear?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
It will form fat also and oil also at the same time.
Yes. So see, there is very simple understanding. This is very simple to understand. I'll let you know how. Okay. जनरली स्टूडेंट्स गेट कंफ्यूज्ड इन बिटवीन दिस फैट एंड ऑयल. क्या है सर, ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. कब आप यूज करोगे कब आप यूज करोगे ऑयल. ठीक है. सो कैसा होता है, there is one biomolecule which is known as lipid. Do you know this? Lipid. Do I know this? Lipid.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. So lipid के components क्या क्या हैं? Like carbohydrates are formed up of monosaccharide. Proteins are formed up of amino acid. Shabash. Nucleic acids, DNA, RNA are formed up of nucleotides. Very good. Very good. Now tell me, lipids are formed up of
Fatty acid.
And
Shabash.
glycerol.
Very good. On your screen, you can see, students, I can see many messages in my chat box also. These are all right answers. Glycerol and fatty acids. So lipids are formed up of glycerol, over here glycerol and fatty acid. Okay. Now, if the fatty acid is saturated, then the lipid is known as fat.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if I have even one double bond in my fatty acid chain, if I have even one double bond over here or here or here, students, generally all of them are same fatty acid. So if they'll have a double bond over here, they'll have double bond over here also, and here also. On all three chains they will have double bond. If there is double bond, the fatty acid becomes unsaturated, and then it is known as oil. Understood? So all three terms are same: lipids, fat, oil. All three are same. So lipid can have two types: fat, oil. When do I call it as fat? If fatty acid component is saturated. When do I call it as oil? If fatty acid component is unsaturated. Now let me ask you a simple question. Have you seen the advertisement of Saffola oil, या धारा का, और different एडवर्टाइजमेंट आते हैं, है ना? और उन सब में अगर आपने ध्यान से देखा होगा स्टूडेंट्स, अगर एडवर्टाइजमेंट में आपने ध्यान से, आप एडवर्टाइजमेंट तो ध्यान से देखते ही नहीं है, एडवर्टाइजमेंट में वी डू आवर वर्क, है ना? बट इफ यू फोकस ऑन एडवर्टाइजमेंट, यू हैव वेरी गुड पॉइंट ओवर देयर. हाँ, वेरी गुड रमीज. दे टॉक अबाउट प्यूरिन. नहीं, प्यूरिन के बारे में वो नहीं जाएंगे. प्यूरिन के बारे में दे विल नॉट टॉक. दे टॉक अबाउट PUFA and MUFA. Have you heard these terms? PUFA and MUFA. सुना है ये? हाँ सर. ये सुना है स्टूडेंट्स? PUFA and MUFA. इसके बारे में वो लोग बातें करते हैं. What is PUFA and MUFA? Yes, Ramiz. Very good. PUFA and MUFA क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? अच्छा, ओके, माही ने नहीं सुना है, ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो यस, व्हाट लविंग, ओके. बताओ स्टूडेंट्स, PUFA MUFA सुना है? किसने raise your hand, let me see how many of you have heard this term PUFA and MUFA. अगले बार जरूर ध्यान से सुनना, ठीक है? एडवर्टाइजमेंट ध्यान से देखना. So by PUFA they mean poly unsaturated fatty acid. क्या उनका मतलब? पॉली अनसैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड. कहाँ गया? अनसैचुरेटेड बोलते में कहाँ आ गया? ऑयल में आ गया.
ऑयल.
Very good. So when I say polyunsaturated fatty acid, मतलब क्या? More than one double bond. When I say MUFA, monounsaturated fatty acid, just one double bond. Yes. Shabash Ramiz. Yes, students. Is this clear?
Sir, monosaturated. Monounsaturated. You cannot have monosaturated. Saturated means all the carbons are having single bond between them. ठीक है? U means unsaturated. So monounsaturated fatty acid. That means only one double bond. Polyunsaturated fatty acid, more than one double bond. Am I clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. If you want, you can take a screenshot. You don't have to worry. I'll discuss this in biomolecules also. ठीक है? अपन ये biomolecules chapter में healthy discussion करेंगे इस पे. देखो, बायोलॉजी का यही फायदा है स्टूडेंट्स. बायोलॉजी का यही फायदा है कि हाँ, यस मानसी. FA stands for fatty acids. करेक्ट. यस, सो यस, टाइप ऑफ ऑयल करेक्ट है. हाँ, सो बायो का ये फायदा है कि बायो में हम क्या करते हैं, अपन
वो चीजें पढ़ते हैं जो आप घर पे भी देख पाओगे, जो आप महसूस कर पाओगे, जो आप फील कर पाओगे। अभी कल मैंने एक सेशन रिकॉर्ड किया आपके लिए जहां पे आई एम स्पीकिंग अबाउट प्रीफिक्सेस. So very soon it will be out, maybe in 2-3 days we will upload it on YouTube. We are speaking about prefixes which are used in biology. I have not covered in all the prefixes, but I have covered the major ones. I hope you will enjoy the session. Chalo, let us move ahead, students. Let's go back to plasma membrane. Baap re. I had decided to enter into endomembrane membrane, but look at the discussion. अपन कहाँ से कहाँ आ गए? अच्छा, okay. I'll try to do that. Yes, you can take the screenshot now. ठीक है? ओके मानसी, चलो ले लो स्क्रीनशॉट.
सर वन डाउट.
हाँ, डाउट पूछ.
सर वो जो नॉन पोलर टेल रहता है ना, व्हाई इज इट ऑलवेज इनवर्ड्स? मतलब दोनों तरफ से पोलर हेड ही दिखता है ना, तो अंदर मतलब नॉन पोलर टेल क्यों है?
अंडरस्टूड. मैं इस पे आता हूँ थोड़ी देर में. रमीश, माय ओनली क्वेश्चन अभी के लिए माय ओनली क्वेश्चन फॉर यू इज व्हिच आई एम श्योर विल सॉल्व योर डाउट टू सम एक्सटेंट. My one question for you is, human body is majorly made up of oil or water?
Water.
Okay. Ramesh, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Human body, water, na? Right? Water, right? So now can you imagine why the water, the hydrophilic part is towards the outside?
To protect the non-polar tail from
environment. That is your answer. All right. Okay.
Yes, sir,
I have another doubt from Shreya. She's asked me, if the lipids are saturated, then it forms fat. If they're unsaturated, it will form oil. That is perfect conclusion, Shreya. That is perfect conclusion. We've got it. Okay. Okay, students, should we move ahead? What about other students? Others, are you all getting this? Are you all understanding this, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, very good. Ashwini, you let me know. Ashwini, are you getting this? समझ में आ रहा है सब कुछ? Yes, Jyotika, very good. Mansi Chalwadi, Mahi, Nandu, शाबाश. Students, please keep on replying me, okay? So I should understand कि आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है. सृष्टि पंचाल, श्रेया सांघवी, वाली सोलंकी, जोहा.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Rebecca, Rutvik. हाँ, Rebecca is very, very active. Very good. Okay. चलो students. Nisha, Nidhi Mehta, Nirjala, Parth. What about you, Parth?
Yes, sir, I'm getting it.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should I give you a very simple example over here, students? I'm very tempted to give this example. I mean, this is not related to plasma membrane, but this has some relation to the phospholipid, the polar and the non-polar part. Very, very, very simple example. Very simple example of how this phospholipid, students, because it has both the components. Okay, let me come to the technical term first. Phospholipids, because it has both these components. Look at the laser. This polar head and non-polar tail. Hence, can you understand why we call plasma membrane as selectively permeable membrane? Selectively permeable. It will not be just partial with water soluble things. It will not be just partial with oil soluble things. It will allow things which have both the characteristics. Mixture. है ना? And I'll come to the example which I wanted to discuss. मैंने अभी एक्सप्लेन करते करते भी इसका नाम ले लिया था कि जब विम बार आपके घर में, आप सबके घर में जब बर्तन साफ होते हैं, when vessels are washed, you people use vim bar, correct? I mean, if you wash, or your mother or your जो भी है आपके घर पे हेल्पर, वो जब वॉश करते हैं, there is very simple science behind it, students. There is very simple science. ठीक है? वो simple science क्या पता है? बताओ, ये वाला एग्जांपल बताओ. या should I go back to plasma membrane?
नहीं सर, बताओ.
बताएं. हाँ, तो आज आप मजा ले लोगे. लेक्चर के बाद जाके जरूर ये ट्राई माना, ठीक है? पलक, मेक श्योर यू आर नोटिंग दिस डाउन. So we will have this revision next time also. She'll revise it in the same manner, okay? She'll actually go and try this once in the kitchen, and then she'll give us a very nice explanation for it with nice words into it. Okay, so let us imagine कि ये एक ऐसे एक कढ़ाई बनाए तो हम, ठीक है, कढ़ाई अपन ने बना दिया, एंड अभी अभी इसमें क्या बना है पता है स्टूडेंट्स? अभी अभी इसमें क्या बना है? इसमें कढ़ाई पनीर बना है. सो कढ़ाई पनीर तो हमने निकाल लिया, बट इसके सरफेस पे I can see oil on its surface. Okay, I can see oil on its surface. This is totally empty. फिर भी थोड़ा सा oil इसमें दिख रहा है. Now, can I wash it simply by using tap water, students? What do you suggest?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Why? Tap water use किया तो क्यों नहीं साफ होगा ये?
Sir, because oil and water are different.
And because
Yes,
oil
sir.
is not soluble in water.
शाबाश. You people are using technical terms. Oil is not soluble in water. मैं ऐसा नहीं पढ़ता. मैं बोलूँ इसको कैसे देता हूँ? मैं इसको ऐसे देता हूँ कि ऑयल जो है ना, ऑयल एंड वाटर के बीच में झगड़ा हो गया. वाटर बेचारा आया टैप से, ये देखो स्टूडेंट्स, ये देखो वापस से कढ़ाई बना देता हूँ, ठीक है, वापस से आई विल ड्रॉ द ऑयल. ये देखो ऑयल यहाँ पे है, ओके, मैंने जानबूझ के कढ़ाई ब्लैक कलर में ले लिया अभी. एंड आई विल ब्रिंग वाटर. ये देखो वाटर बेचारा आ गया. वाटर आके बोलता है ऑयल को कि चल ऑयल चलते हैं साथ में. चल ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, अपना गुस्सा साइड में रख दे, चल चलते कहीं भी घूमने चलते हैं. ऑयल ने बोला कि डोंट यू डेयर कम नियर मी, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टॉक टू यू एंड आई एम नॉट कमिंग विथ यू एनीवेयर. ट्राई मारो आप घर पे जाकर, अपने घर पे ऐसा तेल वाला कोई सामान लेकर, कोई कढ़ाई या कोई बर्तन लेकर धोने का कोशिश करो, नहीं होगा, साफ ही नहीं होगा. अगर आपने मम्मी को झूठ बोला कि मैंने साफ कर दिया, हो गया साफ, तो मम्मी आपको फिर आके साफ करेगी. बोले कहाँ साफ हुआ बच्चे, है ना, अभी भी ऑयल लगा है. तो आपकी मम्मी ने क्या किया? क्या ऑप्शन आया स्टूडेंट्स? देयर हैज टू बी सम मीडिएटर, राइट? जब आपके बीच में झगड़ा हो जाता है, आपके फ्रेंड के बीच में, कौन मीडिएटर बनता है? आपके दोस्त लोग बन सकते हैं मीडिएटर, है ना. आपके भाई बहन में झगड़ा हो गया तो मम्मी मीडिएटर बन जाएगी. अरे कोई बात नहीं, अरे इतना अच्छा बच्चा है, तू भी इतनी अच्छी है. कभी कभी मिस्टेक हो जाता है, कभी कभी ऐसे मस्ती हो जाती है, चलो ठीक है हाथ मिला लो, चलो फॉरगेट द बैड थिंग्स, चलो लेट अस बी फ्रेंड्स अगेन, है ना. तो सेम इन दोनों में फ्रेंडशिप कराने के लिए कौन आ रहा है? इन दोनों में फ्रेंडशिप कराने के लिए कौन आ रहा है? विम बार. वेरी गुड, विम बार. एंड डोंट यू थिंक स्टूडेंट्स, अगर विम बार को इन दोनों के बीच में फ्रेंडशिप करानी है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विम बार शुड बी वेरी गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ बोथ ऑफ देम.
Yes, sir.
है ना, वेरी गुड. इट शुड हैव कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ बोथ ऑफ देम. विम बार के पास दोनों के साथ दोस्ती करने का मौका होना चाहिए. सो विम बार के पास क्या क्या है देख लें स्टूडेंट्स. लेट अस सी व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स विम बार हैज. सो विम बार इज मेड अप ऑफ सर्च मटेरियल. से देखो विम बार के पास एक वाटर सोल्यूबल हेड है एंड ऑयल सोल्यूबल टेल है. ये होता है विम बार के अंदर. फिर से बना दूं, वाटर सोल्यूबल हेड and oil soluble tail. Water soluble head, oil soluble tail. तो आपने क्या किया? कितना सा विम बार लेना है स्टूडेंट्स? कितना सा विम बार लेना है? एडवर्टाइजमेंट में क्या बोलते हैं? कितना सा लेना है?
एक चम्मच.
इतना सा है ना, जरा सा लेना है. ओके, लेट अस टेक जरा सा विम बार. अच्छा, एक ने मुझे कमेंट भी भेजा है. अच्छा, एक चम्मच. ओके मानसी. एक चम्मच लेना, ठीक है. सो एक चम्मच विम बार मैंने ले लिया स्टूडेंट्स. एंड दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपने कभी अपनी मम्मी को पूछा है कि विम बार अगर इतना ही शक्तिशाली है तो विम बार खाली हम बर्तन पे डाल के we can just put the drop of Vim bar or the drop of liquid whichever you are using to wash the vessel and just then mix it with water and throw it away. हो जाना चाहिए ना साफ. हम बर्तन को घिसते क्यों हैं? What is the reason? There is a scientific reason to this. Why do I have to rub the vessel? Same is the thing with your clothes also. Clothes में भी अपन जब रिन सुप्रीम लगा दोगे, टाइड लगा दोगे, है ना, निरमा लगा दोगे, तो इसको अपन रब क्यों करते हैं? हाइड लगा के. Yes.
Force required some.
Okay. Let us understand why. अच्छा बाप रे, प्रिया ने क्या मैसेज भेजा है? प्रिया ने मैसेज भेजा है. Okay, I can see message over there. हाँ, एक चम्मच की कीमत, वेरी गुड। ओके ठीक है, वापस आते हैं इस पे। फ्रिक्शन, ओके पार्थ ने बोला सर फ्रिक्शन चाहिए, माही ने बोला सर टू रिमूव डर्ट। आई टेल यू द साइंटिफिक रीजन स्टूडेंट्स, आज आप एक्सप्लेन करो अपने घर वालों को कि व्हाई यू आर डूइंग दिस, ठीक है? क्यों कर रहे हैं पता है? ये देखो इसलिए कर रहे हैं अपन, इसलिए कर रहे हैं। ये देखो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर रैंडमली मैं डाल दूं विम बार को तो विम बार ऐसा कुछ अरेंज हो जाएगा, कुछ ऐसा, है ना? और टेल ऐसा आ गया, वेरी गुड, ये तो मेरे मन का हो गया। बट कोई कोई पार्टिकल विम बार के ऐसे अरेंज होंगे, ये देखो ऐसे, टेल ऊपर और हेड नीचे। ये देखो टेल यहां टेढ़ा मेढ़ा और हेड यहां पे टेढ़ा मेढ़ा। बताओ स्टूडेंट्स, आर दे अलाइंड प्रॉपर्ली? Are they aligned properly?
No. No, sir.
Right? Yes. So we will have to give them proper alignment. We will have to give them proper alignment. So for that rubbing is required. Okay. For that minimum rubbing, with that minimum rubbing, what we do is we give them proper alignment. So let us come to that now, students. ठीक है, अब इस पे आ जाते हैं, चलो। So ये vessel बना दिया मैंने, ठीक है, ये vessel बना दिया, and this is the oil part. This is the oil part, ठीक है? Oil part को थोड़ा सा और मोटा कर दिया मैंने, just to understand properly. Okay. Then I have this water part. दोनों देखो students, are they mixing together? No, they are not mixed together. Now comes the after rubbing. After rubbing, what happens? ये देखो students, alignment. Look at the alignment now. Look at the alignment of Vim bar. Check करो कैसे align हो गए, क्या बोलते हो? Correct है? Correct है अभी?
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now at the one end, Vim bar has caught the oil part. Oil part का हाथ पकड़ लिया, दूसरी तरफ उसने water का हाथ पकड़ लिया, है ना? दोनों के बीच में आ गया, दोनों का हाथ पकड़ लिया, ठीक है? Oil ठीक है, you will not be friends with oil ना, water ना, कोई बात नहीं, मुझसे तो हाथ मिला ले, मुझसे तो हाथ मिला ले, ऐसा बोला विम बार ने। तो ऑयल ने बोला ठीक है चल, I'll shake hand with you, no problem at all, I don't have any problem with you विम बार, you तो are my very good friend, so I can shake hand with you. So ऑयल ने अपना राइट हैंड दे दिया विम बार को, विम बार ने भी उसका राइट हैंड मिला लिया, एंड देन विम बार ने अपना दूसरा हाथ दिया वाटर को। चल ठीक है, ये ले, कहाँ लेकर चलना है? हाँ बोल।
और अगर ऑयल का लेफ्ट हैंड राइट हैंड होगा तो विम का लेफ्ट हैंड होगा ना?
अरे यार, हाँ ठीक है, let us not go into this literally. Okay, चलो समझ में आया स्टूडेंट्स, मीनिंग समझ में आया है ना? बीच में बीच में आ गया विम बार, इट इज एक्टिंग लाइक मीडिएटर, इसने इस तरफ ऑयल का हाथ मिला रखा है, इस तरफ से इट इज हैविंग इट्स हैंड इन हैंड विद वाटर। एंड नाउ जब आप वेसल को शेक करो प्रॉपर्ली, वाटर मिक्स कर लिया धोने के बाद, एंड नाउ इफ यू थ्रो द वाटर के साथ साथ कौन चला गया? विम बार के पार्टिकल्स, उनके पीछे पीछे कौन चले गए? ऑयल। एंड नाउ इज द वेसल साफ सुथरा। दोनों को पकड़ के भाग गए, वेरी गुड, भाग जाएगा, शाबाश श्रेया। ओके
और बट वैसे बोलते हैं कि उसमें लेमन भी है, लेमन का क्या होता है फंक्शन फिर उसमें?
ओके, लेमन सिट्रिक एसिड, आई डोंट नो, वो चमक देगा,
तो उसका
क्या
फंक्शन
देगा?
क्या होता है?
देख एसिड कैसा होता है, इट इज फॉर शाइन, इट इज फॉर चमक, इट इज फॉर क्रिएटिंग अ क्लियर
सर रस्ट को रोकता है ना सर वो?
अच्छा, रस्टिंग को रोकना भी एक रीजन है, रिमूव ऑयल।
Yes, sir.
Because you said that it contains 100 lemons in it.
लेमन्स से देख, लेमन्स का क्या यूज है वो विम बार वालों को मुझे अच्छे से पूछना पड़ेगा। ओके, यहाँ पे मुझे बहुत सारे आंसर्स आ रहे हैं, किसी ने आंसर भेजा है कि ऑयल को प्रॉपर्ली रिमूव करने के लिए, फॉर स्मेल, दोनों को पकड़ के भाग जाएंगे। ओके, आई होप ज्योतिका यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग एवरीथिंग। ज्योतिका, because certain things were in Hindi. Okay, ठीक है। Okay, what if we don't put water and vim directly? Okay, so it would be very tough, very tough. Okay, so that's it, students. I mean, yes, we have crossed 10:30 already. All right, the agenda was to complete plasma membrane, but we went into phospholipids, we went into surfactants, we went into oil soluble, water soluble, we went into practical example, and yes, we went into biomolecules. In fact, we went into lipids and fat and biomolecules में enter कर गए. Never mind, it was very interactive. Yes, yes, Mansi. Yes, Mansi. So we will have to, the homework would be, students, homework for today is, for those who were not in the first session, have to visit the first lecture on YouTube. Even this session would be going on YouTube. So you can rewatch this session. Also, students, what you can do is, till now, whatever we have covered, right from the first session till today, we entered into plasma membrane, and especially we did phospholipids. So that is very important to draw. I want all of you to draw दिस एंटायर स्कीम, जो भी लेक्चर हमने कवर किया, दो जो भी कंसेप्ट्स कवर किए हमने 2 लेक्चर्स में, वो आपको एक बड़े से पोस्टर पे ड्रॉ करना है, प्लेन पेपर पे, एंड ट्राई दिस वंस. यू हैव टू रिकॉर्ड अ वीडियो, ठीक है, वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग करनी है. दिस इज नॉट कंपल्सरी बाय द वे, इट इज टोटली ऑन यू. I have many students who do this and many can't do this, so I have no issues at all. It is very voluntary, should be totally on you, dependent on you. I'll put it on you. तो आपको क्या करना है कि आपको वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग करनी है. आस्क समबडी टू होल्ड कैमरा फ्रॉम अबव, एंड आप पेन लेकर चार्ट पेपर पे जितनी भी टेक्निकल चीजें हमने डिस्कस की हैं, दैट यू कैन डिस्कस ऑन द चार्ट पेपर. आप उस पे पहले कलरफुल तरीके से बना लो, एंड देन टेक अ पेन and use it as pointer and explain those things. You see, this is cell, we can differentiate like this, prokaryote, eukaryote, these are the similar things, these are the different things, differentiate between them, and then these are the cell organelles, and then we have this plasma membrane. It is majorly made up of phospholipids. Phospholipids have head and tail. Head is this, tail has this characteristics. This is what you can discuss. You can also discuss lipids, students, जो हमने आज discuss किया. Lipids, fat, then oil. When do I call it as fat? When do I call it as oil? Lipids are formed up of glycerol and fatty acid chain, है ना. तो वो सारी चीजें आप डिस्कस कर सकते हो. एक बड़े से फ्लो चार्ट आप बना लो पहले पेपर पे, and then discuss it. वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करो and send that video to me. If the video has good quality and if the content is good, I'll put it on the YouTube channel. So you can watch your own video on the YouTube channel. You must be watching many videos which are made by the students. Already we have another series on this.
The name of your YouTube channel.
Sure. You must be getting the links of YouTube channel on the group already. ठीक है, so I'll repost the link. आज का लेक्चर ऐसे ही पोस्ट करूंगा, मैं वापस लिंक भेज दूंगा YouTube का. This is Catch 25 Science Academy का YouTube channel. So वहाँ पे we will put your videos also, and we will properly make sure कि वो वीडियो बहुत सारे लोगों के पास पहुंचे. ठीक है students? We promote this kind of activity from students, and I would love to do that. So that is one homework for you. That is a homework for you, students. All right. Thank you very much.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, you want the flow chart of the previous lecture and today's lecture? Two charts you want?
Combined.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So everything has to be in a single flow chart. It has to be on a single paper.
Sir, how much minute video?
Depends on you, Jigar. How much depth you want to cover the topic in.
Maximum time.
Totally on you. Make it maybe keep it 5 to 7 minutes.
Yes,
5 to 7. That should be okay. Okay. All right, students. So I'll be waiting for your videos. Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you. Sir, you will meet us.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
We'll meet at 11 again for chemistry.
But sir, it will be difficult to make 2 charts into 1 chart. Those last lectures.
Today we discussed only a little part of plasma membrane. We discussed phospholipids in detail. So I think that can come on a single chart paper.
Yes, sir.
You have to detail it. You don't have to detail it. Okay? Okay, Rebecca?
But sir, you want it in 1 paper, no?
Yes, correct. I need it in a single paper. You can use 2 papers also. No problem at all. You can change the paper. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye. Bye, students. Most welcome, Mahi. Most welcome, Akshay. Devanshi Joshi, today's lecture was incredible. Okay, thank you very much. Most welcome, Aditya, Jyotika. Bye, Manasvi. Bye, Rebecca. Bye, Shreya. Ansi Chalwadi. You too. Take care. Yes, Shreya. Thank you very much.